One Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside though. He can't talk say Nigeria Army say make they look say as in they like this, in they happy. Same be Biafra Army, and for that reason, if they pull head for Biafra territory, say they go collect woto. He say how the whole bomb where they throw. Say how many Biafra Army where they don't kill. Say them no they die. No be smart thing. Mo go find out how they take talk this tale. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time we they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. Don't be smart, you know. If you know say you never give this channel a follow, I don't know what you they wait to, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell so that you could get our update back to back as it dey hot. And move quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They say one of the Biafra Liberation Army, which is BLA, don't come outside or say in they happy for the cloth when we are, and say Biafra Army they sweet am, say him be one of the forefront of this struggle. No be small thing. It can send small message, can give Nigeria Army, tell them say where they know they put body, say them they know they die, and as it don't be like this now. He say anybody will pull body for their territory again, say they go collect woto. No be small thing, no. We will go play you the video when they talk this thing. May you watch before we come and proceed. But before we jump into that video, one man don't come outside for interview. He say Simon Ekpa no know what he want. No be small thing. He said the Simon Ekpa, the self-acclaimed prime minister, he say he no know what he want. As he talk this thing now, come say che, this man go collect we go still bring the video come up for you, may you watch. But before we go for that one, let us watch this video of Biafra Liberation Army as he narrate the story and send this message to Biafra people and also for the Nigeria Army. Let's watch the video together.
Good afternoon, my wonderful people of Biafra. You know, Biafra is very, very sweet. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? See, I pity for person who say Biafra no go come. I pity for person who say Biafra no go come. I swear. Biafra must come, whether you like it or not. Biafra must come. And listen, if you be Zoo Army, you go come they do anyhow, you they shake, they jump, they do anyhow, they do as you like. If you jump finish, ayapalagaka, already made something, check out how they be now. Put body, you go collect woto na the code if you don't know. Biafra must come, whether you like it or not. Biafra must come. I ain't pesirike. No be to come here, they shoot anyhow, they do anyhow, they throw bomb as you like. We undiable, we know they die. Make I ask you something. How many you don't kill? I pity una suppose if una come work finish you go, now God go ask you where una evidence. Una talk una why all of una mad people. See, make I tell una, as far as this side is concerned, the land of also gonna so piano. Any day we una try to come also gonna so piano. We dey come no shaking tree. Every shaking tree on target one. Anyhow we una take, we dey gallant 247. Una not seen the B now. No be so. That may be a gado, but we know they hide. She understand? We know they hide. Lie to lie. We know they hide. I had to hide this. We know they hide. We full everywhere. We full ground. We full ground.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video and hear everything where this Biafra Liberation Army talk for this video, and they saying they happy. If you look at Kwani, go no say they happy for the cloth we are as the army where they defend the fatherland. Wow, that is very great. Yeah, my people, as you don't watch and may let us know what you think for comment section. Drop your own opinion. Any word we get for them, may you still talk and for comment for comment section. As that one they go on, now some people come outside, they say no, you not supposed come bring your face. They show like this, say they go track you. Even people wey know you go fit track you. And other people come to say good, man, they show in face, but they no say yes. Wetin that they do, they legit. I beg, may still let us know your opinion for regarding this particular agreement. As we they talk that one, now they say one man don't come outside for interview or where they do for inside the one TV station. The Conde to say the PM will be prime minister, will be Simon Ekpa, the prime minister, Biafra Republic government in exile. He say na self-acclaimed PM. And as they talk that one finish, he come still talk say he no know wetin you want for this election wey wan take place in Imo State, because he go talk A, he go still come talk B. He come be like say he no support Hope Uzodinma, but he dey support other candidates as well. No be small thing. We go play the video, may you watch as he take talk this thing.
Who is the reason? Now in this contest, who is the who?
No, alluding to the fact you just put up. When we look at the threats,
yes,
by not just Nando Carlos, this talk about Ekpa, the Finland. He says he's now prime minister of self-acclaimed prime minister of Biafra.
He's a councillor there.
we will be disturbed with what is happening. The faction of IPOP say the man is a madman. He doesn't know what he's doing.
Ekpa is a madman.
Yes.
Okay.
No, madman doesn't know what he's doing. The people will issue up a statement.
And they will comply.
And they will comply.
So if you say they shouldn't vote, they will not vote. That's what I'm saying. Where the issue of violence and an electoral apathy, what will be the role of this IPOP? That's the one.
That is why I said the man is talking from both sides of his mouth.
Okay. When
you say don't vote, and you're not campaigning against, I don't know who is campaigning in favor. For now, he's campaigning against Hope Uzodinma. He has not even opened up to who is campaigning.
And yes, and instead of talking about peaceful, of taking their previous disposition of saying,
sure,
don't do
election. And now you are saying,
now that
there's election,
should be against. So I hope there won't be violence. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, my wonderful people. No be smart, you know. You don't watch as the take talk for this particular video where we play for you. Our work now to bring you update, they show you what they happen, and your own work now to share the video. More other people still know and can leave their own contribution for the matter as it they hot. As we they talk this in now, we they get information for our table. Say the Canadian government don't want their citizens for traveling to Nigeria because the terrorist attack that will take place in Nigeria will be heavy. No be smart, you know. As that one see they go, now another update see they come in. They say that the Nigeria are planning a heavy protest all over the world against Tinubu to resign, because he did not deserve to be the president of Nigeria. No be small thing. As that one they happen, now they see they update us this morning. We don't show you the video when the Biafra Liberation Army they talk say that are going through battle this morning with Nigeria Army. We will still update you in the evening when everything is over. We'll still let you know what will be the outcome and what will happen. You get another copy information. What would they get? Say they lost one gallant Biafra Liberation Army for battle. I don't know how that one take happen, but the message are not still clear. We are watching closely and we will bring up can't give you that. The reason why would the point and come at more and not say the update there our table nyafu, but we will wait for the clarification before we will come bring and come public, because you know this channel will not they carry fake news. Anything what will tell you here and so you be na legit. Okay, my people, please share this video and also make sure say they follow our social media handles. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn your notification bell so that you will get our update over there, and follow our Facebook page. We're there for TikTok, we're there everywhere. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for the next update.